Alright, this is a law of attraction secret you must try. Let's start with a circle with parallel reality manifesting. We're going to write down 4 realities that are possible for you to fuse with. Reality number 1 on the top left, reality number 2 on the top right, reality number 3 on the bottom left, and reality number 4 on the bottom right. When it comes to parallel realities and manifestation, everything is possible in an alternative multiverse. So we need to connect with the reality that we want. Draw a dotted line from each of those realities to the center. As we go along, we're going to use a money example for this, but you can use it for anything. So reality number 1, we're going to write down $5,000. Number 2, just $5. Number 3, $50,000. And then number 4, $500. So vary the amounts, vary the quantities, vary the volume. Look at each of these realities. Do you believe them? Do you believe you can manifest $5 the same as $50,000 or the same as $500? You see, it all comes down to belief. Which reality do you actually believe you could fuse with? Just the $5 one? Or maybe do you believe you can manifest $50,000? What we're talking about is feeling and desire. So which reality do you believe in and desire most? So a lot of people say, well, just $50,000, but they don't really believe in it. So let's go in the middle and let's try for $5,000. You can believe in this and you can have the desire for it. So the middle circle is indicating you right now, your physical results, where you're at, where you live, all of it. Parallel reality number 1 is you now, but energetically. So at the spiritual, emotional plane, it's still happening right now, but it's a spiritual prototype or a vibrational possibility. So we need to connect the you now physically with the you now energetically. And how we're going to do that is through fusing and corresponding with that frequency. The first thing that we're going to do together, ask this question out loud, because every question will follow with an answer in thought. What if it was already happening? Simple question. But go ahead and say that out loud. Pause the video. What if it was already happening between you now and you energetically? What if in an energetic vibrational plane it was already happening? 5,000 was already manifesting into your life right now as you're watching this video. Question number 2 to ask is a follow-up. And again, remember, every question has an answer. What if it was already done? What if in an energetic vibrational plane it was already done? So essentially what we want to remember is these are vibrational levels. And what we're trying to do is, you're on the bottom left-hand corner there, we want to reach to the top right star. But we need to shift our vibration before things change. This is called the law of correspondence. It's just another name for the law of attraction. Is we need to correspond with the vibrational plane of the frequency of what we desire. So it's all in the feelings. It's all in the change of emotions. So we're going to do a third exercise here, and that is feeling oriented. And you're just going to literally say out loud, I feel different already. So you're going to trick your mind here, even if you don't feel different around the $5,000. You're going to tell your mind, I do already feel different by watching this video, by doing step number 1 and step number 2. Trick is you feel different emotionally. Now, a fourth way here that we're going to fuse with this parallel reality, and like I said, you could do it with money or anything else, is what is invisible is far more powerful than the visible. And how important that is for your belief and your faith in this process. So even though you can't see parallel realities, you can't see the multiverse, you can't see this stuff, it's way more powerful, because remember those vibrational corresponding frequencies we talked about. What's in the invisible is far more powerful than what's in the visible plane. And finally, there's one more step here that's going to really help you out. There is a version of you that already has this. Now, the version of you that's energetically and vibrationally already has it. It already has its possession of the money that you want or the desire you want. So right now, literally, there is a version of you that already has an extra $5,000 that came out of nowhere, that came out of no thing in the ether. So that's why we call this a vibrational frequency. It's already vibrationally done. Or this is a great phrase to write down, a spiritual prototype. The prototype has already been created in your imagination. You just got to fuse with it, because remember, today's results are just from yesterday's thoughts. So if you put out greater thoughts today, you're going to fuse with that parallel reality very much. So remember, number one, what if it was already happening? Number two, what if it was already done? Number three, I feel different already. Number four, what is invisible is more powerful than the visible. And then number five, there's a version of me that already has this, that already has the desire in its possession. Make sure you follow me for more. We put out other great content just like this. I want you to get part of our community. Make sure you like the video if you got value from this. Subscribe to our channel, and link in the description if you want to jump into our mentorship, get some real deep coaching on parallel reality, manifesting, and energetics. Scott Haug signing off.